Hi, this is Jenny Brackett Brooks with my home culturally inspired product. What is home to you is my overarching question for this project. My setting is honors ninth lit class as they finish our study of Homer's The Odyssey, in which everyone knows Odysseus is our hero, but he is thwarted from returning home. And all he wants is to get back home, desperately wants to get back home. He finally arrives after a 20-year ordeal and immediately knows he's home from the smells, the foods, the tastes, the sights, the people that he first encounters arriving on the island. Students will hopefully take that and create their own home project in Google Earth, labeling the locations of all the places they have called home and describing each with some of the sights, smells, tastes, and the people that make it home to them. So my aim in this project is for students to understand the author's message or theme in the Odyssey and making it personal to their home. So a huge theme in that is the importance of home and what home means to each person. And we, of course, are studying the culture of ancient Greece and the Greek foods and how the terroir is so important to their lives and the values of that culture. So I hope the students will use this project to highlight each cultural uniqueness and also help students make connections to our overall similarities in humanity. And this product will allow me to assess students' understanding of theme, and students will need a computer with access to Google Earth projects and photos of elements of culture to help describe their home. We have these two standards of excellence, which are on theme and analyzing point of view in literature and from a different cultural experience. Here is a sample of the project where students can go into and label their home and then put in a picture that represents their home. This is of a garden, and this is my example of my small town in Holly Springs, where I grew up at my grandmother's house. It always smelled of pickling and canning of vegetables from our huge garden and the foods that taste of home, and how that relates to my worldview. Then I would go on to show another home where I live today. Thank you so much.